Welcome back to another video. Today we got another email from Harbor Freight. Unbeatable 2 deals, 3 days only, Friday, January 24th through Sunday, January 26th. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more 2 deals. Alright, yeah, let's look at this, see what coupons we have. First of all, we got a regular 20% off coupon. Seems like with the standard brands that are not valid with this coupon. So if you guys need to find out what you guys can get with this coupon, pretty much all the hand tools, all the non-branded stuff, Pittsburgh and Pittsburgh Pro, you can still get that, all those hand tools. But all the other brands, you can't really get anything. Flashlights, Braun flashlights, all that you can still get with this coupon. You got free heavy duty batteries, AA, AAA, 24 pack. Seems like the yellow ones. You know what, guys? I'm going to tell you guys the truth about these batteries. I do have an Amazon Fire Stick, and I had some batteries in there. And next thing you know, the controller didn't work. So as you normally do, you flip down the cover, and guess what? All my hands were covered in acid or liquid or whatever that is. And I didn't like that. So, and I'm like, you know what? It's probably just the first battery. It's probably just one battery defected, one not. Throw a couple more of those yellow batteries in there and ready to go, right? Yeah, well, that's what happened. Pretty much it worked fine, everything. A week later, the control didn't work. And guess what? Those batteries started leaking again. It was the second battery that started leaking. And I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to throw the whole package away. And that's what I did. So Harbor Freight, if you're listening to this, keep this in mind. Because these batteries do leak. And me personally, not even for free, I would get those. I would definitely spend my money on the blue ones. The blue ones are nicer and higher quality. Got heavy duty 3-ton low profile steel floor jack, $99.99. Rapid pump 3-ton steel. Yeah, the jacks are great, guys. I do have this this orange one. It's like super nice, powerful. So nice. Professional duty low profile floor jacks, $119.99. And this is really good too, guys. 5,000 lumen 4 feet LED hang shop light, $19.99. Go get it if you need it. It's real cheap. 4-piece 1x15 tie down, $6.99. I do have this. I do have a couple of videos on this. I do have a video where you can add a foam cannon, a real foam cannon, to this product. And I also have another video where the tip clogged and showing you how to unclog it. Okay, if you guys want to check those videos out, you have to do is just Portland pressure washer 2-147 up on the search section of YouTube, and you guys will see all my videos from this pressure washer. But anyways, this is a great pressure washer for $79.99. 130-piece toolkit, $29.99. I keep one of these in the work truck. Disposable tools, not really disposable, but if they get stolen, they get stolen. I'm not out a lot. 72x80 moving blanket, $5.99. Airless paint sprayer, $164. 6.5 horsepower, $99.99. Got the welders here. I will definitely go titanium. Titanium is really nice. Titanium Vulcan are really nice welders. Usually this goes on sale. This is kind of pricey, but it does go on sale, especially in the parking lot sales. Full motion TV wall mounts, $39.99. You got 18x12 hardwood movies dolly, $7.99. Not a bad deal. 20 volt lithium cordless extreme torque, half-inch impact wrench, $229.99. Got the 210 50 amp 12 volt battery charger and engine starter, $29.99. You got the 30-inch 5-drawer mechanics carts, $199. I believe this is the current coupon that we have. I haven't seen this lower. They are not gonna get to $150 what they used to be before. I got my blue cart for $150, But they're not gonna be 150 anymore. We used to have a coupon that was 169. That was last year. It ended December 31st. 2-ton capacity fold-up shop crane, $189.99. They're still worth it though. $200, I would definitely pay that. These are really nice carts. 6 amp variable speed reciprocating saw, $19.99. Always seen that. Always seen that at this price. These are great. These are great gloves for cleaning, for doing lighter duty use, inside work, all that. You're gonna be doing mechanic work or outside yard work or anything like that. Definitely go with the 7mm or the 9mm. 29-piece titanium, $10.99. You know, guys, these are not gonna last forever, but you are getting a lot of bits. These bits are good for a few holes. After a few holes, you know, that's why you got a whole lot for $10 or $10.99. These are nice 4.5 cutoff wheels for metal. Pack of 10, $5.99. Got 20-volt lithium cordless 1/4 impact driver kit, $59.99. Definitely some great tools by Bauer. I personally have the drill driver. I have the blower. I have the inflator. Yeah, all those are great tools. I haven't been let down by every single one of them. All of them are performing. I see this all the time. My brother just got one of these. I gotta ask him how is everything with his shop press. But so far so good. He hasn't said anything bad about it. So 2,500 electric winch. These are mostly for ATVs and side by sides, smaller vehicles. These are great angle grinders, especially for $9.99. Keep a few of them with the different wheels. You're not changing wheels all the time. It gets kind of annoying changing wheels. These are great, guys. Definitely recommend this 13-piece 1/2 inch drive dip impact sockets, $19.99. Let's see here. This is a great tool. Click type torque wrench. Usually we see this for $10 in the parking lot sales. It's $11.99. If you need one, pick one up. You know, it's not that much. Other than that, pretty much the same thing. So yeah, that's it for today. Stay tuned for 2 Review Tuesdays. And if anything comes out, any sales, any deals, 2 deals, I will let you guys know. I will post the video as soon as possible. So don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one.